Model, 69 plate Fiat Talento van short wheelbase, 10 multijet 120 HP Tecnico. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 53,418. MOT, the 12th of January 2025. Engine, 1997 CCM 9R120E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts runs, turbo needs replacing. Engine and gearbox are fine. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,295 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.